So what do you think's next, Pete? What's the next big adventure for Vegware and Cawleys?
I think the continued, kind of interaction between our businesses. I think you're right, David. I think when you look at, the kind of customers that we're looking at kind of implementing solutions with, they are, some of our largest customers, so I think it seems a long time, doesn't it, 7-8 years to kind of get to where we've got to. But, I think when we're looking at the kind of customers that kind of are kind of engaging with us and wanting to talk to us about kind of compostables, it really does open up, our entire portfolio really to looking at implementing those solutions.
Yeah, definitely. And I think the way you've implemented it as well in your Infinity service is offering flexibility to customers that maybe wasn't there however many years ago. You're now able to look at not just compostables, but beyond that to other materials and combine it in terms of efficiency for the customer.
Absolutely. And I think that service gives us that flexibility, so that, we do, collections are, kind of at smaller levels in bag collections, but, we do have a customer now where we have a compactor, where the volume is that significant that, we can collect it, from the customer's premises that isn't that far from the disposal location. We can collect it in bulk, so we're keeping kind of transport costs down, delivering it into to the facility, 4 or 5 miles down the road. So it works well all ways round. We can collect it, either as part of a bag collection service, or we can collect it in, all the way up to compostables. And it's good to have those kind of reference points to be able to go to other customers and tell them that.
Yeah, definitely. And I think that's what our customers want as well, is ease of implementation. Nobody wants to make a huge effort to make changes if you don't have to. If you can do this easily, which you can, you've proved that for us at a number of different sites, that it meets to.
And I think that's the secret of it. It is kind of very difficult to implement it, in small pieces. If you want big success that, we can demonstrate from one of our customers, in kind of moving a compactor of it, you've got to be committed to it, right? You've got to understand it. You've got to know, you've got to make sure that, just going back again to that kind of communication piece, you've kind of got to have the buy-in within, everything within their business, within their facilities management company or their cleaners or whatever it is, to make sure that, we're keeping that quality of material clean. And that's easiest done with the fewest possible waste streams. And Vegware kind of fits into a lot of that.
I think it's seeing those tangible benefits of across your waste streams. This isn't just a compostables issue. This is a waste.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep, most definitely.
I think from a Vegware side, we'd love to get the message out there more to customers to show that these systems are live, and while the services to support a switch to a composting solution, it's worked for many customers, it can work for many more. It's getting that message out there, doing kind of events, speaking to customers, and just raising awareness.
Vegware's in-house environmental consultancy creates a variety of composting and recycling solutions for our clients. Visit vegware.com/keen to compost.